Show me tell me questions are an essential part of the UK driving test, designed to assess a candidate's knowledge of car maintenance and safety. These questions aim to ensure that drivers are not only capable of operating a vehicle but also aware of its critical components. By addressing these questions, learners can demonstrate their ability to identify and rectify simple faults, promoting safe and responsible driving on UK roads. In the UK driving test, examiners ask, show me tell me questions to assess a driver's knowledge of vehicle safety. These questions require the candidate to either demonstrate or explain certain functions within the car. For instance, they may ask, show me how you would check the engine oil level. The candidate would then need to open the vehicle's bonnet and locate the engine oil dipstick to demonstrate the procedure. These show me tell me questions are crucial in evaluating a driver's understanding of the vehicle and promoting road safety. Overall, they test both practical skills and theoretical knowledge, ensuring that individuals are fully equipped to navigate UK roads safely. 35 seconds. The rest of the show me tell me questions include: tell me how you check that the brakes are working before starting a journey. Brakes should not feel spongy or slack. Brakes should be tested as you set off. Vehicle should not pull to one side. Tell me where you'd find the information for the recommended tire pressures for this car and how tire pressures should be checked. Manufacturer's guide: use a reliable pressure gauge, check and adjust pressures when tires are cold, don't forget spare tire, remember to refit valve caps. Tell me how you make sure your head restraint is correctly adjusted so it provides the best protection in the event of a crash. The head restraint should be adjusted so the rigid part of the head restraint is at least as high as the eye or top of the ears, and as close to the back of the head as is comfortable. Note: some restraints might not be adjustable.